Peachy Kale Smoothie Recipe. Smoothies are a delicious and convenient way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. They make a great breakfast, snack, or even a dessert. One of my favorite smoothie recipes is the Peachy Kale Smoothie. It's not only tasty but also packed with nutrients that will leave you feeling energized and refreshed. In this video, I will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to make this delicious and healthy smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe peach, pitted and chopped, 1 cup fresh kale leaves, stems removed, 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup ice cubes. Instructions. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Before you start making the smoothie, gather all the ingredients you will need. This will save you the hassle of running back and forth to the fridge and pantry while you're in the middle of blending. Step 2. Prepare the peach and kale. Wash the peach and kale under running water to remove any dirt or residue. Cut the peach in half, remove the pit, and chop it into smaller pieces. For the kale, strip the leaves from the stems and discard the stems. Give the kale a rough chop to make it easier to blend. Step 3. Blend the ingredients in a blender. Combine the peach, kale, Greek yogurt, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract. Blend the mixture at high speed until it becomes smooth and well combined. If the smoothie is too thick, add a little more almond milk to thin it out. Step 4. Add the ice. Once the smoothie is well blended and has a creamy texture, add the ice cubes to the blender. Blend the mixture again until the ice is fully incorporated and the smoothie is thick and frothy. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Pour the Peachy Kale Smoothie into glasses and serve immediately. Garnish with a slice of peach or a few kale leaves for an extra flourish. This smoothie is best enjoyed right away while it's still cold and fresh. In conclusion, the Peachy Kale Smoothie is a delicious and nutritious drink that is perfect for anyone looking to increase their intake of fruits and vegetables. With just a few simple ingredients and a blender, you can create a refreshing and healthy smoothie that you can enjoy any time of the day. Give this recipe a try and experience the wonderful combination of sweet peach and earthy kale in a delightful and satisfying drink. Thanks for watching, and for more helpful information on kale and its health benefits, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.